Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TR7660 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of this printer. So we have a Wi-Fi direct which we can use for wireless printing and scanning. I'll show you how to activate the Wi-Fi direct and how to find the password of this printer so that you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. And for this method you do not need a home or office Wi-Fi network, so it will work without internet. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, press the power button and go to the display panel. On the display panel you will see there is a setting icon, so just touch that. Go to the device setting, click on the LAN settings, and here we see wireless direct. Click on that. Now enable wireless direct and click on, and just wait it for to switch it on. Now click on the C settings and it will display the connection. It is enabled. Network name, so this is the name of the Wi-Fi direct of this printer. Scroll up and here is the password which is not displayed here, so click on show password and here you will see this is the password of this printer, and we have to enter this password to connect with the device. For example, I'm going to use it with the iPhone. So here is the iPhone and we have to go to the Wi-Fi setting. In the Wi-Fi, wait for the printer to appear, so 7600 series, click on that. Enter the password as it is displayed on your screen and click on the join button. You will see it is connected, so it will mark here. Now go and open the Canon Print app. You can download the app from the App Store if you don't have it. It will ask if you want to add the available printers, so click on yes and wait for the printer to be added automatically, and you will see your printer is added instantly here, and we can do the wireless printing and scanning now. So click on cancel as we are not going to print anything. Click on the close. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning, for example. So click on the scan button, open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards on the left hand side corner and click on the scan button. So here we can see the scan has arrived, and if you want you can add more pages or you can exit from here, and then you will be able to share it or save it to the location you want. You can also choose the format, for example JPEG and PDF. So overall I can say the wireless direct of this printer is really good, which you can use it for the wireless printing and scanning in case you don't have home or office Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.